Good Thursday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Jonathan Condor here. A little cool out the door, 45, then a high of 80 today. Sunny, winds pick up and the clouds move in by the late afternoon. I want you to get ready. I want you to enjoy today because we have high winds coming in on Friday. Highs today, a lot of lower 80s out there. Southwest winds looking good. Tonight, total lunar eclipse. All right, set your alarm clock. Totality starts at 1:26 a.m., but the maximum eclipse where the moon turns red, that's going to be at 1:58 a.m. I'll be up. Hope you can enjoy that. What do you need to know? Here we go. We got high winds coming on Friday, gusts 60, 65 miles an hour, pretty bad fire danger, some wind damage, blowing dust. It's not going to be good. The winds, the worst winds should be the area highlighted in purple, gusts potential, not guaranteed, but potential to get up to 65 miles an hour or higher. I think top of the mark would be about 70 miles an hour. So we're going to get very specific about this, kind of the wind timing. It's mostly an afternoon event. How will those winds impact your weekend, your Friday night, etc.? Just come pay me a visit. KOCO 5 News, on air, online, 4:30 to 7 o'clock this morning, and I'll have your updated 5+5 day forecast.